Hello children, in this video we are going to learn class 10 construction chapter exercise 6.2 fifth and the sixth sum. First we'll see the fifth sum. Draw a line segment AB of a length 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. Here first we have to draw the line of 8 cm. First we will draw the line of 8 cm here. Then we'll see. I'll draw the line of 8 cm. And they mentioned draw a line segment AB. I'll take A, B, 8 cm. Then what they told, taking A as a center, this you have to take as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. You have to take A as a center and you should draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Now I'll take the compass and I'll measure 4 cm and I'll draw the circle with the center A. Like this, you have to take and draw a circle of radius 4 cm. I'm drawing here. See, like this. I'll draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Then draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. One more circle you should draw of radius 3 cm and you should take B as a center now. Here I will keep the compass and I will draw the circle of radius 3 cm. Like this I should draw it. Now, then what they told, draw a circle of radius, so 4 cm, okay, 3 cm. Construct a tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. Means you should draw the tangent to the circle from the point B. For this circle from the point A. From this point like this and from this point like this we should draw the tangents. If you want to draw the tangents, always you have to bisect this line, right? So for that what we should do, I will bisect the AB line now because we want to get one more circle where that circle is intersecting those tangents we are going to get here. Now I'll bisect this line. If you want to bisect it, we have to take more than half of the AB. So I will take more than half of the AB and I'll cut an arc. Same thing I will do it down also. Then you keep at a point B, sorry, without changing it. See how much I drawn here. Should take it. Okay. Don't change this measurement. Without changing it, you should keep at B and cut that before arc. Now we got 2 points, this and this point. You should join them where arcs are intersecting, that one. Now if you join this, we will get the midpoint of midpoint. This point M is in bisecting the line AB, or M is the midpoint of AB. M midpoint always will divide the line into 2 equal parts. Now we got the center. Now using this M point, M as a center and MA as a radius, I will draw one circle now. The circle should pass through the point A and B. Then only your construction is correct. Means this midpoint is correct. Now I will draw the circle like this. Now where, exactly. Like this you should draw it. Now where the circles, here it is and here it is, here where both circle, this circle whatever we drawn now and before the circle where they are intersecting, no, you should join the tangent from this point to this circle, from B point to the 4 centimeter radius circle. So I will join now. First I will join to this bigger circle from here to here. We got the tangents. Like this. Now this point you take as a C, D, and from A to the smaller circle we have to draw the tangents. Like this. Now like this. This is the construction of the fifth sum. Now we'll see the sixth sum, what they have given. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 8 centimeter and B equal to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Here, first thing what we have to do, we have to construct one right angle triangle. You know how to construct the right angle triangle. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 centimeter. They are saying BC is 8 centimeter and angle B is 90 degree. They are saying. So angle B means we have to take base as a BC here, because base angle base if you take 8 centimeter, then only base angle you can take as a 90 degree. So better you take base as a BC here. BC we have to take 8 centimeter first. I will draw the line BC 8 centimeter. Now this is B. C. Now I will take the protractor, or you can construct the 90 degree using the compass also, but I will do by the protractor here 90 degree. Here it will come. I will draw one line here, and I will join this point, and we got the 90 degree at a point B. They are saying B is 90 degree and AB is 6 centimeter. Already we got BC. AB is 6 centimeter they mentioned. How we have to draw the AB? You measure 6 centimeter in the scale using the compass like this. Then keep at a point B and cut this line. Then here this point you have to take as A. Now join A to C. Then you will get the right angle triangle ABC and B equal to 90 degree. And BC is 8 centimeter and AB is 6 centimeter. We got the right angle triangle now. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. We should draw one perpendicular line BD on AC. From B point to AC we should draw one perpendicular here. Like directly you can't draw like this and you can't say it is perpendicular. One method is there how to construct a perpendicular. I will say you that. Now you take the compass and keep at a point B, and you have to draw two arcs here. Those arcs should intersect the line AC like this, and here one arc I will draw it. Don't change this, sorry. One arc I drawn here, and without changing it, see here it is, that time it is changed. This before arc you don't consider. See, this point you have to consider. Without changing it, you should draw two arcs. Those two arcs should intersect the AC line. Now whatever two arcs we got it, no, we got 2 points also here, this point and this point. More than half of this line, whatever the line between these 2 points we got, no, more than half of that are full also, you can take it, no problem. I will take more than half of this. Half means this much, more than half I am taking, and I will draw arcs. what we were doing while bisecting. I'm doing like that. I'll keep it here, this point, and I'll get this before arc. Now we should join this point. This point means that point you should not join up to there. Just to keep the scale like this and join up to enough. If we extend this much it will come. No need to extend it, but here it is enough. Here this point is a D. BD is perpendicular. This is perpendicular to AC. We drawn a perpendicular BD on the AC. Now we got, then what they told, BD is perpendicular from B on AC we draw now. The circle through BCD is drawn. Now we have to draw one circle that should pass through B, C and D. And already in 9th standard you learned, in the semicircle all the angles will be 90 degrees. Means I told you, in the, like this circle is there, means semicircle means half of the circle. Means this is a diameter here. This line center will be here. This line is passing through the center. Then only we can call this as a, I will take this as a BC here. Okay, this is a BC I will take. If you draw any angle in the semicircle, all will be 90 degree here. Here like that only we will take here. Here 90 degrees there, and they are saying that circle should pass through BCD. So here already 90 degrees there. See, if I draw the circle like this, then only you can construct the circle here. So here it is 90 degree, means this is a line BC, means this BC is a diameter here. You see that this is a diameter, means half of the diameter will be radius. Means if you want to find the radius, you have to bisect the diameter. Always radius is half of the diameter. So we have to bisect this diameter. BC is diameter we have to consider, and we have to bisect it. How we will bisect the diameter or BC line here? You have to take more than half of the BC and draw an arc here and keep it C and bisect it. Same thing you should do it down also. Okay, if it is not intersecting, do it once again. Okay, now we got 2 points, this one and this one. I'll join them now. If you join them, we'll get the midpoint or center of the circle. I'll take that as a O now. Now we got the center of the circle. You take like this. This is a radius of the circle. This BC is diameter and OB is a radius. Now I'll draw the circle. That circle will pass through BCD. See, you can observe it. See, the circle is passing through BCD. Over this construct up to here over now. Then what they told, construct the tangents from A to the circle. Whatever we drawn the circle now, to this circle we have to construct the tangents from a point A. So for that what we will do, if you want to construct a tangent to any circle, like the circle is there, if you want to construct a tangent from this point, means from center, you will join first. Then we will draw the circles like this. For that we have to bisect this line. Like this we will do, and we will draw one more circle where the circle is intersecting. We'll draw like that. No, so from this point to this circle, from A to this circle, we have to draw the tangents. For that what you should do, from the center to A we have to draw one line here. Now I'll bisect this OA, and we have to draw one more circle, and you have to draw the tangents. I'll take more than half of the OA, whatever the pink line is there, no, for that I'm taking more than half of it. I'll draw an arc, this arc, and I'll keep it here. I'm drawing it now. I'll keep it O and okay, it is not intersecting. Here it is intersecting. Once again I will draw it. Here it is coming. Okay, sorry. I'll show you where it is coming. You have to bisect it, that's it. These 2 points. Now I'll draw the line. Okay. This point you have to take as a center, and you should draw one more circle here like this. Draw one more circle, and where both the circles are meeting, see this point, and here it is already there. Now I'll join that from A to, I'll take E, and it is already there. See this circle, this is F, or B is already there. So here AB and AE are the tangent from A to the circle. Like this we have to do this construction. In the next video you are going to learn last sum of this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.